listen to this message as our menu options have... In the police and fire, dispatcher Sheets.
Yeah, hi. Calling about this industrial noise. It's a little bit different tonight than it was last night. Actually, the last couple of nights. It's a little bit different tonight than the last couple of nights, anyways. But I don't hear the like a loud banging or crashing noises like I did the last couple of nights. Tonight, there's a harmonic ringing noise. Sounds like machinery running at high idle. It's throwing off kind of harmonic ringing sounds that the pitch and tone. It's somewhat similar to a tornado siren, and so every time I kind of find myself falling asleep a little bit, I start to hear it, and it wakes me wide awake and like just startles me, thinking that there's a severe storm or something in the area, and then I realize it's whatever this noise is. I'm recording that noise as we speak right now in our conversation. I recorded a little bit of the noise before I dialed the number to call you guys to file a complaint about the trespass issue. I'm not 100% sure where it's coming from. It seems like it's coming from the same general direction of what the other noise was the last couple of nights, kind of a westerly direction, give or take, northwesterly direction. But I don't know what I don't know like what business operator's making the noise, or what machinery they're running that's making the noise. I'm not 100% sure. All I know is that this is what I'm hearing, and I'm recording it. I'm going to go ahead and post a copy of the recording to my YouTube channel for informational purposes. If anybody wants to check it out, they can get an idea of what's bothering me and what I'm recording, and maybe that'll help them track down whatever the hell it is that's making the noise, or whoever is making the noise, operating whatever equipment, and get them to I don't know, maybe learn some common sense.
Okay.
But yeah, it'll be on my YouTube channel, Exhibited Meat, and just to clarify also, if for whatever reason, if it is a business located in the county, Ohio Revised Code 3767 explains in full detail, very specifically, how the public servants here in Zanesville are supposed to handle that matter. But just to clarify, I'm not exactly sure where the noise is coming from. All I can tell you is it's coming from like a northwesterly direction, and it's pretty loud. It's kind of ringing throughout the neighborhood, and you'll be able to hear it in the recordings, or whoever listens to the recording will be able to hear it pretty plainly.
Okay. Alrighty, I'll let them know, okay?
Appreciate it.